So let us move on now to look at the introduction. Okay, so the first question that you must have is, what is expected in the introduction? Okay, so here the first thing that you must note is that the introduction should be between 1 and 3 lines. Okay, don't write more than 3 lines. Okay, it should be brief, it should be concise, it should be straight to the point. So in your introduction, make sure you state the reasons for writing the memorandum. So this is closely related to your subject. Okay, here you should not give any form of background information. The background information will be included as part of your body. Okay, here you tell us what are the reasons for writing the memorandum, not the background information. Okay, so let's look at the draft introduction that was provided as part of this assignment. Okay, so we have already read this, so I'm not going to do that again. You will notice that after reading this entire paragraph, you still have no idea why the memo was written. At this stage, you might be asking yourself, was the memo written to tell us that they know that people have died due to poor road conditions, or are they writing to pass a message of condolences? Such questions arise when an introduction is actually poorly written. Most of the content in this introduction belongs to the body. To be specific, in the paragraph that will be giving background on this matter. Okay, so let us now look at a typically correctly written introduction. Okay, so this is how you could have approached it, but you need to understand that most of this information was taken from the body. Okay, and then some of this was actually part of the missing information. Okay, for example, one of the questions that you might have asked is that, are they going to repair the entire R30, or are they going to repair a portion of the R30? Okay, so this information must be specified in your actual memorandum. So let us look at this introduction example answer. Okay, it reads as follows. Bodikela municipality would like to inform you that we will be conducting road repairs on the R30 highway between Callispruit and Calvinsspruit from 1 June 2023 to 29 June 2023. There will be traffic delays during road works. Okay, so after reading this introduction, the question is, do you know why they are writing this memorandum? Of course, yes. And you know, they'll be conducting road repairs. Okay, that's the purpose of the introduction. Do you know where these road repairs will be taking place? Yes, you know, on the R30 between Callispruit and Calvinsspruit. This information was not given as part of your draft memorandum. This is part of the missing information. You don't have to say Callispruit and Calvinsspruit. Okay, you need to make up your own names. Okay, this is Kali from Kali Tutas and Kelvin from Calvin. Okay, so that's basically how you approach this. So if you find a gap, if you find that there is missing information, you use your own names. It's you come up with your own names. They don't have to be real names. Okay, we have come to the end of this lesson. The next lesson is on the body of the memorandum. Okay, so if you are a member, please access that video. It's already available. If you are not a member, you can join our membership channel by clicking on the join button on your screen, and then it will guide you through the steps as to how to go about joining that. If you are not a member, you can watch later sessions or later lessons as we get closer to the deadline. We'll make most of the content available publicly. Thank you for watching our content.